Well, you may not know it, but your credit history plays a role in how much you pay for car insurance. Well, now an Indiana lawmaker wants to change that. He spoke with State House Bureau Chief David Williams all about it. David.
State Senator Greg Taylor says more often than not, many Hoosiers just can't afford auto insurance because their credit stinks, which means much more money out of your pocket every month.
I was shocked to find that out, that actually my insurance rate could be a combination of a whole lot of things, which I think are valuable, but also whether or not I have a good credit score.
Right now, State Senator Greg Taylor is fine-tuning legislation that would basically keep insurance companies from using your credit score when calculating your rates.
I want to make sure that nobody can use a credit score because it doesn't make any sense and it just hurts people who've had problems or who are poor.
The Indiana Department of Insurance tells me current state rules allow companies to use credit scores in rating, but it is not required. Right now, insurance agent Lucy Boland with Access Auto Insurance says they don't check your credit.
I know there are so many companies that they go through by the credit, the good credit that you have, the good price that you're going to get, or the best rate they're going to get. Bad credit, you're going to get the really good price.
We asked her thoughts on the proposed bill.
I think it's fine. I think it might help so many people.
We stopped by Ed Martin Nissan to see their thoughts on the proposed bill from an auto dealer's perspective.
On our end, I think it can only help us as far as helping out the consumer. You know, in particular, if they don't have the best credit history, they're probably getting hit with higher interest rates and a higher monthly payment. And then to have that affect their insurance rate as well, too, they're getting hit twice. So it can only help them. It can only help us.
Earlier today, I did speak to one insurance agent who feels the idea is pretty much an uphill battle. Now, you can read the full state law about credit and your insurance rates right now. Just go to wishtv.com and click on this story. David Williams, 24 Hour News 8.